how to log into Snapchat on Android. Hello and welcome back. If you'd like to log into Snapchat on Android, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So go ahead and open up the Snapchat application. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can just go ahead and download it. Or you can just head over and go ahead and go over to the website and look out for the login page. So tap on sign up, or you can tap on switch account as well if you are on the login, not on the login page. And here you will be taken to the login page. Now all you gotta do is go ahead and enter up your credentials here. So in the username or email field, enter up your email or your username and password here. So just go ahead and enter it up. I'm just gonna enter up my email address here. You can also do so, or even your phone number, the one you used in order to create your account. And what you can do is you can just go ahead and tap on password and enter up the password for your account. And once you do so, you can tap on login option right here. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot your password and then just go ahead and follow up the process. You can choose how you want to reset your password via your phone or email and go ahead and confirm it. After that, head over to the login page and tap on login on your screen. And then once you do so, you will be directly logged into Snapchat on your Android and you're ready to start snapping. So that is it for today's video. If you'd like to log into your Snapchat on your Android device, these are the methods you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.